In this video, let's understand the key differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic can be synthesized by the process called addition polymerization, whereas thermosetting plastics are synthesized by condensation polymerization. Thermoplastic is processed by injection molding, extrusion process, blow molding, thermoforming process, and rotational molding, whereas thermosetting plastic is processed by compression molding, reaction injection molding. Thermoplastics have secondary bonds between the molecular chains, whereas thermosetting plastics have primary bonds between the molecular chains and held together by strong cross links. Thermoplastics have low melting points and low tensile strength. Thermosetting plastics have high melting point and tensile strength. Thermoplastic is lower in molecular weight compared to the thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic is high in molecular weight. Some examples of thermoplastics are polystyrene, Teflon, acrylic, and nylon, whereas example of thermosetting polymers include vulcanized rubber, bakelite, polyurethane, epoxy resin, vinyl ester resin, etc.